everyone builds an impression as they watch. You can't help it. You're picking up on clues, intentional or not, about who that brand is, what it stands for, what they're like as a business. And we sort of make up a narrative or a story for ourselves based on those impressions. And so the hurdle that you're really up against is that you do not have a business brand like a single thing. You have business brands, plural, because your brands are all of the different ways that different people create an idea about who your business is based on the content that they stumble across that's by or about you or your business in whatever order they happen to come across it. In a best case scenario for your own content, these impressions would be relatively homogeneous thematically, meaning that people might describe things slightly differently, but they'd all have a similar gist or theme. And that happens when you are keeping track of the impression you want to give, and you are using that to shape what videos you want to create, what the content is going to be, the look and feel of that content, and how it all fits into the grand scheme of what working with you is like and what you're trying to achieve with your business.